So today we're going to be breaking up a head of cauliflower, and I cut it in half here to show you guys the inside. You can see that core running all the way up the middle to the florets. So we're going to cut these halves in halves again so we end up with quarters. That way it's much easier to manage with all of the cauliflower frill on the outside as well. And so I'm going to cut towards you guys, which I don't recommend at home, but just to show you, and we can just cut the core out just like that at about a 45-degree angle and just remove it along with all the other greenery that's left behind. And then it leaves you with all your lovely florets of cauliflower to work with. Most of the time you can just break these up and not have to worry about it. I had one roller away from me there. And if they're too big to break up, don't be afraid to just cut them in half and then you don't have to worry about it. And there you have it, perfectly broken up cauliflower florets.